communication to God can be used to praise God and to ask for something. So join your hands for prayer. Topic of our assembly is be kind to animals and birds. It takes nothing away from a human to be kind to animals and birds. News stands for notable events, weather and sports. So I invite Piyu for news headlines.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Piyu. Welcome to the Sing News channel. Today's news headlines are: vaccine will not be enough to stop COVID-19. No lockdown needed in Delhi. Microsoft has hacker warning for COVID-19 vaccine maker in India and USA. Now some sports news. Mumbai Indians won IPL 2020. Thank you.
I invite Nakshwal and Paramneet for thought of the day.
Good morning everybody. Thought of the day is: animals are more loyal than a human being. Love and kind to animals more than humans only, because humans will double cross you but animals will love you till the end. Thank you and have a nice day.
सुप्रभात। आज का विचार है, पशु कोई चीज नहीं है बल्कि जीवित जीवन है जो हमारी करुणा, सम्मान, दोस्ती और समर्थन के योग्य है। धन्यवाद।
मनुष्य तभी बनेगा महान जब जीवों के लिए रखेगा सम्मान। मैं श्रेया हुडा को हिंदी कविता के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
नमस्कार। जानवरों को भी जीने का अधिकार है, इसलिए हमें उनके प्रति दया भावना रखनी चाहिए। मेरी कविता का नाम है वफादार जानवर। वो जो भूल नहीं सकते लेकिन एहसास करते हैं, जानवर होकर भी इंसान पर विश्वास करते हैं। डांटना, मारना, भूखे रखना सब महसूस करते हैं। देखकर अपनी जान में जानवर आपको महफूज करते हैं। देखा है खुद की आंखों से मैंने, अपने गद्दारी करते हैं। पाल कर तो देखो यारो, कुत्ते बड़ी वफादारी करते हैं। ये तो जानवर है साहब, झूठी रोटियों से पेट भरते हैं। कर लो खुद से वादा से, एक नेक तुम काम करो। सोच बदलो, नजरिया बदलो, इनका भी सम्मान। Hello friends, today we are going to talk about be kind to all that lives. I have a pet. His name is Tuffy. And what's about you? You have any pet?
Animals may not talk, but they have feelings. They need love and kindness.
My lovely dog.
Wow, dog, I want to tease him.
Stop that! Animals may not talk, but they have feelings. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself.
Thank you, Krati. Now I understand that animals have feelings and we should love and feed them.
Yes, Daksh. Dogs are the most amazing creatures. They are our link to paradise. They don't know evil or jealousy.
We should love animals. Thank you.
Help them when they are uncomfortable. Like us, they also need companion. Animals and birds are very important to our earth. They deserve our kindness. Come on, let's take care of the animals and birds. Snake! Don't kill or hurt the snakes because they are friends of farmers. Eat animals. Who can harm crows like us? They deserve to live in the world. Oh, it is injured. Some people try to hurt it. I have seen and given treatment to it. After some time, it will fly. We need to cure birds when they are ill. Like us, they need proper treatment from their doctors. Thank you.
Birds are the creation of the God. The bird properly provide fresh food at proper time. For them, like us, they need to eat and drink also.
Many beautiful fishes are there. Yes, this is a beautiful aquarium. I take care of my pets by giving them comfortable shelter. Feed and breed your lovable fishes. Thank you. Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Told me woodcutter is coming to cut me down. Where I will make my nest now. Who will give me shade? Oh, woodcutter is coming. He comes. Which tree should I cut? I like this one. What's happening? Who is crying? The tree? Who cares about the tree? Don't destroy our habitat like you. We need homes to stay with our family. I have a family. I need wood to earn my living. We must care about the trees. It gives us shelter, fresh air and food. That's enough. I am not a monster, now understand. Save birds, save plants, save earth, save humanity, save yourself. Buffalo, see, I have food for you. Eat it.
What are you doing, little boy? Why are you giving me food in plastic bag? It's too harmful for me. It can even kill me. Don't feed me in plastic bags.
Okay. So, that is our kindness to animals and birds. I hope you take care of your pets. Goodbye.
Animals and birds can be a great companions for humans. Now, I invite Divanshu Bansal for poem.
It takes nothing away from humans to be kind to animals and birds. Also, we should always be kind to them as they can't speak like us. Good morning, everyone. title of my poem is Please Be Kind to the Animals. Please be kind to the animals. They really are God's creatures too, put here on earth to live free with nature, not intended to live in cage. The animals have no anger or hate. They have no fear of man. The lessons learned are not from a book, but from a kind, caring mother and dad. They learn respect and getting along lessons they never forget. Survival comes first, but they still feel joy and pleasures from sweet Mother Earth. Please be kind to the animals. Give them room to roam. Let them be themselves, not as man would want them to be. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I invite Khyati for Sanskrit Shlok.
यो हिंसकानि भूतानि हिनस्त्यातं सुखेच्छया से जीवांशच्च मृश्चैव नेक्वचित् सुखमेधते यो बन्धनवधुकलेशान् प्राणिनां नैच्चिकीर्षति से सर्वस्य हितेप्सुः सुखमन्तं मक्षणुते। जीवों की हत्या करने वाला पापी होता है तथा उसे उसका फल अवश्य ही मिलता है। जो व्यक्ति अपने सुख की इच्छा से जीवों को मारता है वह कभी भी सुख नहीं पाता, और जो व्यक्ति अपने सुख की इच्छा से जीवों को नहीं मारता वह जीवों का हित चाहता।
When you dance, your purpose is not to get to a certain place on the floor. It's to enjoy the each step along the way. Enjoy the assembly. Thank you everyone.